Welcome to Inner Strength Meditations, a moment to breathe and be.
Picture yourself by the sea, watching the waves rolling in up the shore and watching them rolling out. And now imagine that you're the sea. And on your inhale, the waves roll in. On the exhale, the waves roll out. Inhale and the waves roll in. Exhale and the waves roll out. And just follow your breath at the pace that it wants to be. Not faster, not slower. Letting your attention rest on the movement of your breath. Just like if you were at the beach, letting your attention rest on the waves rolling in and the waves rolling out. And as we bring this meditation to a close, appreciate your own effort to be curious, to observe, and to notice how the breath and the thoughts and your experience all influence one another.
There's nothing else you need to do. Enjoy this moment and stay well.